Also, before we get started, I just want to give a quick overview about me for anyone who is new, subscribe, or who just tuned into my channel. My name is Mimi, and I do motivational cleaning videos. I do vlogs about my day in my life. I have 3 kids now. I have a older daughter who is 12 years old, my other younger daughter who is 10 years old, and my bundle of joy baby boy who is 4 months old. Yeah, so that's me. I do all that with 3 kids. But anyways, without further ado, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we would love to have you. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. We will love to have you with us. So without further ado, let's get this cleaning started. And I am feeling very grossed out with this on my face, so might as well just So starting over here, obviously I got 2 of these, like 2 packs of these. So the other pack, I believe they put it in the fridge and they said it couldn't fit. The other one couldn't fit. Yeah, so the other one's in the fridge. Lunchables that my daughter wants. I do not get her these at all, but she was dying for them today, so I got them. Okay, so I got a bottle of olive oil. I got some seasoning that I ran out of, which was the garlic powder. I also got this. I do not buy, but I said let me try it because I seasoned my seafood with something different. So this is the bay seasoning, and then I got some sweet potatoes and a baby melon, and then I got some hash browns. We love these. I should have bought 2 packs, but my freezer do not fit. So, I mean, it wouldn't fit in my freezer, so got 1 pack. A pack of Danish. We love these. We also stopped by White Castle, guys. My daughter was hungry. American cheese. No, yes, I understand. These cheese are not healthy and good for you, but that's what we eat. That's what my husband eats. So, I got this. Some ham steaks. These are amazing, especially in the morning, frying them with eggs. Delicious. We got waters. I got my body armor water because I am still trying to work on my breast milk, trying to get it back. Some Gatorade for my husband, and also some water, some fruit flavored water for my kids. I love those for school. Pack of bananas. And then I also got these today because I'm going to be making some egg rolls, shrimp rolls, I'm sorry. So I got a pack of this and I believe another one. Yeah, and a different one. I have that. I don't usually buy these guys, but this is what I got. Sorry, this is not like a normal, typical grocery haul that you would see with everything all fancy on the table. I am exhausted, guys. I went up 6 flights of stairs with all these things, and I'm exhausted. A box of corn because we ran out of that. I bought my Goya beans. I bought gandules, and that is the empty boxes that we was eating in the car. Then over here I got the bread for sandwiches for my daughter for school. A box of cookies, the Pillsbury cookies for school, which we opened, as you see, we opened because we was hungry in the car. Mutts, my kids love these fruit snacks. And then we bought some sugar cookie mix. We're going to be making that to make some Christmas cookies. And then I noticed that they had this, and I never seen it before there, so I said, let me try it. It's the lava cake, and I cannot wait to try this, and with some ice cream. Oh! And I also got some ice cream as well. I bought a couple of, my kids bought some footsie pajamas that they're going to wear to my mom's house for Christmas. 2 bags of chips. What else was there? I think that was it, guys. I think the rest are I told them to put it in the freezer, which was a bag of fruits, ice cream, some bacon, which I already put in here because I needed to, you know, I had to hurry to put it in there, and a gallon of juice. And my water, this thing is spilling. Oh my god, living in an apartment is insane. So yeah, so another thing, this is an overview of my fridge that needs a complete deep cleaning, which we are going to do today, so I can fit my groceries in here, and also so we can freshen this up because this is looking disgusting, guys. And then also my freezer, nothing will fit because everything is just tossed in there, so we're going to fix that up as well. Guys, I'm out of breath. I'm so sorry. I just came up from bringing up the groceries, obviously, and I am exhausted.
Only one, only one, only one. Only one, only one, only one. Patience. I'm running out of patience.
Hey guys, I just want to jump on here real quick just to chat with you guys and to just let you know that I'm very sorry that I did not post on Sunday. Very hectic week for me with the last minute shopping, and Christmas is almost here. How exciting, but it's just so hectic because you want to make sure that you have everything right. That's how I felt this weekend. But nonetheless, it's Tuesday. Tuesday. Oh my god, guys, you see my brain is everywhere. Today is Wednesday. Well, happy hump day, guys. I hope you all are going to enjoy your Christmas. I can't wait. Christmas is my favorite holiday. I hope it's yours as well, because let me tell you, Christmas is such a blessing. I just love it. But anyways, this video was posted the day after Thanksgiving. It was supposed to go up, I think, the day before, the week before this Sunday, but I posted up something else. But hey, better late than never, guys. I had to declutter my fridge that day, guys. This is just horrible. So if your fridge is looking like mine, please don't be afraid. Clean it with me, guys. I'm here to motivate you. It's not perfect, you know. Shit happens. I'm gonna say it again. Shit happens. Clean out this fridge, girls. Let's clean this out. Or guys, if you know, clean, why not? Join me, guys. I'm here to motivate you. But anyways, what I'm doing here now, as you can see, I do section by section. I do not take out all of the food out of the fridge. That's a big no-no for me, because you need things to stay in the fridge. Obviously, they're in the fridge for a reason, because they need to chill. So having them on the counter for a couple of minutes while you're cleaning that shelf, then that's okay. So this is how I clean my fridge, section by section. So you do what you want, however you want to do it, but this is how I do it. But yes, I'm just gonna start off with the top, scrub it down. And at least the top part was not that bad, but guys, you're gonna see the mess that I have in here. Well, I'm gonna be quiet now, guys. I'm gonna let you enjoy this video.
Say you love me, say you don't. Just give me something so I can move on. Pull me closer or push me away. Let me know if we'll be okay. 'Cause I can't stand another moment of you playing with my mind. I'm so tired of never knowing, so spell it out. 'Cause I won't stay awake till morning, I won't stay another night. If you're feeling something for me, say it now. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 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 I've been patient with your love. Sometimes you don't show it enough. And I wish you could open up and take my worry in and make it stop. 'Cause I can't stand another moment of you playing with my mind. I'm so tired of never knowing, so spell it out. 'Cause I won't stay awake till morning. I won't stay another night. If you're feeling something for me, say it now. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. Say it now. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. No, no. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. I can't wait. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. Forever. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. Cause I can't wait for you forever. Cause I can't wait for you forever.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. float. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. And now, no words no more, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more.
Alright guys, I am so happy that this freaking fridge got clean. But anyways guys, if you made it towards this part of the video, well, close to the end, please comment down below white thatch clean. And also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. I hope you find this video very motivating, and I hope you cleaned along with me because we need these fridge sparkly clean. I mean, come on, we need room for these leftovers, guys. But anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find